What?
I don't know how much they're needing.
Holy cow! Where'd you get this from?
Kroger.
Kroger sells this? I didn't know that.
It was 130 bucks.
Oh.
What is it, penguin ice or something?
Penguin dry ice.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
What we're doing here is we're crushing up dry ice because we bought it locally and it's solid. And then we're gonna put it on the floor, and that's gonna freeze the sound deadening material, which is kind of like a tar. And then hopefully we can just like pop the whole thing right out.
Hopefully.
This is the plan.
We've seen it done many times, but we've never done it.
No. We've scraped it out with heat and
That sucks.
yeah.
They probably melted it and it was probably.
Well, it's gooey. It leaves residue. You scrape the metal. This is a much cleaner and nicer process. Yes, it is more expensive. It's cold, Chris. But
What?
this is the nicer way to do it.
Right.
From what I heard is you lay it on there until the cracking dissipates, because you'll hear a bunch of cracking, and the cracking is the glue letting go of the metal.
Don't do crack, kids. Oh, I hear it cracking. Already.
Wow. That is pretty cool. Whoa.
That's cool as shit.
Why do you have to use alcohol? What the heck?
Damn!
Right on that edge. There's a piece.
Wow.
Isn't that so much easier?
That is.
We're trying to save it so we can weigh it.
Yeah, we're gonna weigh it
Yeah.
after.
Good idea.
Here's some here.
Oh! You good?
Mm.
You want safety glasses? Maybe I shouldn't.
I'm okay.
How are you?
I think my pupil's frozen.
That's satisfying. That's satisfying. What?
Pour that somewhere else,
Pour
right
another
there.
spot, yeah.
I think that's the way.
No way. What's that feel like?
25 pounds.
25 pounds.
Damn it, that was my guess. Alright, hang on. $26.5.
30 pounds and 1 ounce minus.
So minus 3, it's
3.
27 pounds. We took 27 pounds out.
Hey, I said 26.5.
Shh.
You win.
Hey, but I mean,
Winner, chicken dinner.
we were probably there's still a few like little pieces that were left.
Right,
But
I'm
this is the
saying
brunt of it.
It's 27 pounds.
Right.
Yeah.
If you get the sound deadening out of a JZX 100, Cresta, Chaser,
The
or
Cresta-
Mark II, boom, you save 27 pounds.
The Cresta might have more because it was the more premium model. This thing's probably ever been at 50 pounds.
I'm gonna
Sheesh.
say, hold on. I'm gonna say 48 point or 48.6.
Oh, it's
48.6.
It was precise.
44.3. Damn.
Whoa.
Okay, it is. That's everything. 53. Good thing we got 27 pounds out, so this is only 27 pounds added. And then it's 8 pounds every gallon you add.
And you know, this isn't just a cell. It is 3 pumps.
Yes.
The level sensor, everything.
Thank you, Radium, for the sponsorship. If you need something like this, let us know. We can get it and get you a deal.
You can get it like this from them. This is how we got it. They give you
Assembled.
Yeah, completely assembled. The fuel pump's in it, wiring ready to go. The line's already there. All you have to do is everything external.
And it's got a surge tank like built in, right? And then it's got a lift pump, and then it's got 2 feed pumps. So it's 3 fuel pumps in here altogether.
And this is SFI certed as well.
Yes. It's got a bladder in it. And where we put it, it shouldn't really get hit. But if it did, it can get crushed. And that bladder will still hold the fuel so it doesn't spill all out.
Oh, nice.
It's got a bladder system.
Yep. It's a nice piece. Really nice piece.
Bunch of baffles and stuff in there too. Was that does that bladder
just
serve?
That's the surge tank.
Oh,
That's
okay,
what
gotcha.
that's for.
Okay.
So it's like, you know, a tube down inside there, and then the one pump fills that constantly.
Okay.
So it can't slosh away.
Right. So it only pulls from this area, but this is the residual fuel
Correct.
hanging around the edge.
Yep.
Okay.
And then that one pump just pumps it in there, and then it's got 2 pumps pumping it to my fuel rail
Yep.
and
Jeez.
injectors. The
The
injector,
radium fuel rail, radium banjo fittings, the radium direct mount regulator.
Yep.
I mean, those direct mount regulators are sick.
And then we've got what injector dynamics.
Yep. 1700s.
1700.
Yeah.
So it's like they call it ID. That's injector dynamics basically. And then it's the X, and that just means that it can run E85 or gas.
Well, the cool thing is they also have built-in filters in the injectors, and their stainless steel diaphragms. And
But we're hyped.
Hell yeah.
It's getting there, man.
Yeah, it is.
We got all the sound deadening out now. We're gonna like prepare it now to start installing the cage.
Ooh.
Engine first.
Engine first.
Oh yeah, we gotta put the transmission on the engine. We're gonna put it in here and see if we need to clearance the tunnel at all. We can get in there, cut it, weld in more pieces, whatever we're gonna, do to make it fit.
Yep.
I know a guy.
Heck yeah.
I know a guy.
I know a guy.
Everybody has a guy. Well, thank you guys for hanging out with us.
We're gonna be putting the engine in and then building the cage. That's next.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
This car stuff.
DriverMotorsports.com.
Drive Motorsports rules. Drive Motorsports Racing on Instagram.
Oh, that's a new page.
That's
Yeah.
a new page.
Give us
Make
a follow.
sure you go on there and follow, man. It's brand new. It's not a bot. It's us. Driver_motorsports_racing.
Got it.
You can find it.
That's right, we've created a new Instagram page called Driver Motorsports Racing. Unlike our original Driver Motorsports page, this one features even more cool stuff and an in-depth look on all of our builds. Also, we plan to migrate towards more short form content over vlogs in the near future, so be sure to go follow us and keep up.